If you're planning to study masters in Germany and your university requires the dMAT exam, then this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I will walk you through the entire dMAT registration process. We will go through every page you will see during registration so you will know what to exactly expect. So let's begin. Open Google and search for Digitaler Master Test. Then open the official dMAT registration website. Once the website loads, you will notice that it opens in German by default. So simply use your browser's built-in translate feature to switch to English before proceeding. If you're taking the dMAT from India or anywhere outside Germany, select Worldwide. Currently, the registration portal offers only the General Academic module, so select it and continue. After that, choose your nationality from the drop-down list. For Indian applicants, simply select India. Now, scroll down and choose your test center that you would like to appear for the exam. For candidates in India, planned test centers include Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Bhopal, Chandigarh, Chennai, Kolkata, Manantawadi, Mumbai, New Delhi, and Pune. Once you have selected your preferred center, click on Appointments to view for available exam dates and slots. Next, choose the preferred exam date. You will be able to select either the morning session or the afternoon session depending on the seat availability. After selecting your preferred slot, click on Register to create your account. If you're registering for the first time, you will now need to create your dMAT account. Fill in the required details including full name, date of birth, country of origin, email address, preferred username, and password. If you have already created a dMAT account earlier, simply log in using your credentials instead of creating a new one. After logging in, you will be taken to the personal information page. Here, enter your residential address, postal code, city, country, and the remaining personal details requested on the form. Now upload a clear identification photograph as requested by the portal. Next comes the identity verification. You will be asked to choose one of the following identification documents, which include passport, identity card, or residence permit. Now select the appropriate document and enter the identification number appearing exactly on your document before moving to the next step. Select English as your preferred exam language. You will now see a summary of everything you have entered during the registration. Review all the personal information, exam details, and uploaded information carefully. Now on this page, you will also see the dMAT examination fee, which is €150. Now once you have carefully verified all the information, click Confirm and move to the payment page. The portal currently supports payments through credit card, debit card, PayPal, Alipay, along with other online payment options available on the portal. After a successful payment, the portal will display your registration confirmation. Download or save your confirmation page, keep a copy of your payment invoice, and save the confirmation email sent to your registered email address. These documents may be required later during the admission process, so make sure to keep them safely for future reference. We are coming up with more videos with the mistakes students can make in the dMAT registration process, so stay tuned.
अब रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद बात आती है प्रेपरेशन की। अगर आप अपनी प्रेपरेशन को प्रैक्टिस के थ्रू स्ट्रॉन्ग करना चाहते हैं तो उसका भी सोल्यूशन है हमारे पास। dMAT मॉक टेस्ट स्पेशली ऑफिशियल टेस्ट पैटर्न को ध्यान में रखकर प्रिपेयर किए गए हैं, सो यू कैन गेट फेमिलियर विद द एक्चुअल एग्जाम फॉर्मेट एंड प्रैक्टिस अकॉर्डिंगली। यू विल फाइंड द लिंक्स फॉर दोज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। और अगर इसके बाद भी कोई क्वेरीज रह गई तो हमने ऑलरेडी dMAT के कुछ मोस्ट कॉमन क्वेश्चंस पर डिटेल वीडियोस बनाई हैं, जिनके लिंक्स भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे।
In case you have any doubts whether your preferred subject requires dMAT or not, just talk to our counselors by sending here on the WhatsApp number above or checking the link in description and pinned comment. And if this step-by-step guide helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Confused about studying abroad? Don't worry. Get free expert counseling from Shiksha Study Abroad. From SOPs, LORs, university selection to visas, we cover it all. Message us now on WhatsApp at 8377 000 581 for 100% free guidance.